Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day here for BlackBerry, and now that the dust has settled, a couple of main technical levels have really revealed themselves. And none of this, I'm not trying to come across like these levels that I'm going to talk about are some sort of special talent that I have or some sort of secret discovery. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with each of these levels here. So, I mean, the first level here that I think a whole lot of people are going to be watching, and rightfully so, it makes good sense, is right down here around the $7 mark. You can see that $7 is finally where the big bleeding stopped on Tuesday, got the nice bounce from it. But the problem with that is, the price has since rolled back over, which doesn't mean that the chart's destroyed or anything like that. But it does signal that, all right, maybe there's still some selling pressure left in this thing. But, $7 is certainly going to be a very important level to watch. And then if the price, and the other reason why it's important is if the price does not hold above it, then really the next level of support not down there until the run around the gap close location. Now, I'm not saying that if the price breaks below it, it's just going to shoot straight down there. My point here is there's just a big space in the chart where there aren't any other suggested areas of support. But to be fair, I mean, maybe the price never even goes down to $7. But, if it does go down there and fall below it, then yeah, you kind of enter into this no man's land on the chart. As far as areas of resistance and the area that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, that's right up here around the $8 mark. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is it's a more than plausible, it's a more than rational thought to have that, if the price can work its way back up to that area and then get a break up through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed, but a more than a rational thought to have. So keep your eye on these technical levels moving forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.